Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I will explain why and how to change a file modified date while avoiding harm. Changing timestamps can affect backups, sync, and legal audits, and should be done carefully. Different systems require different methods, like PowerShell for Windows or Touch for Mac OS and Linux. Always keep original backups and verify checksums before and after changing timestamps. I will show precise commands and formats so you can reproduce steps reliably and safely on your machine. Open PowerShell as administrator to avoid permission errors when editing system or many files. Use an exact timestamp format when assigning dates, for example 2025-11-2112-34. Run this command, getItemC /path/ to /file. txt. Last write time equals 2025-11-2112-34. Verify results with getItemC /path/ to /file. txt or view file properties. Test with one file first and verify results before applying changes in bulk. On Mac OS and Linux, use Touch with a precise timestamp format to change modified dates. Use Touch T202,511,211,234. 00 file name to set modified date with format yimdham. SS. For scripting or many files, combine find with exec touch T / for targeted actions. Alternatively, use Python and OS. Utime with epoch seconds for programmatic control and consistency. Always keep backups and recheck file hashes to ensure integrity after changing timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.